Private 5G use cases are revolutionizing industries from manufacturing to logistics and even oil and gas. This technology is paving the way for smarter operations with IoT and AI ML applications. We've already seen early deployments, like Verizon's partnership with Nokia at the UK's bustling port of Southampton, and Ferrovial's groundbreaking 5G network beneath the River Thames. But why private 5G? Well, it consolidates communication solutions, reducing complexity and costs. Its unmatched reliability, security, and ultra-low latency enable transformative applications like real-time analytics, mass-scale IoT, and machine intelligence. Take predictive maintenance, for instance. Instead of halting machines for just-in-case checks, AI analyzes IoT data, predicting and addressing failures, saving time and money. Then there's the rise of autonomous mobile robots. These agile machines navigate obstacles efficiently, and with private 5G's bandwidth and low latency, they're more efficient than ever. From real-time inventory management, ensuring no item is ever misplaced, to AR/MR tools, assisting lone workers with crucial data overlays, private 5G is the backbone of these innovations. And let's not forget drones. Whether inspecting hard-to-reach assets or creating digital twins of sites, private 5G ensures high-definition data transmission, security, and unmatched outdoor coverage. From boosting productivity to redefining safety and efficiency, the potential of private 5G in Industry 4.0 is truly groundbreaking. Want to delve deeper? Check out the full article in the description below to learn more.